Explorer at the Carnival. One day, Dora and Boots were exploring the Carnival. It was a fantastic place, full of colorful rides, great games, and sweet treats to eat. "I love carnivals," Dora said happily. "So do I," agreed Boots. "I can't wait to ride the rides, play the games, and try to win prizes." Dora and Boots were going to try to win the greatest prize of all, the big piñata. When a piñata breaks open, all kinds of prizes fall out, like toys and treats, said Dora. "And stickers too," added Boots. "To win the big piñata, we need to collect 8 yellow tickets," said Dora. "How do we find the big piñata, Dora?" Boots asked. "Who do we ask for help when we don't know which way to go?" Dora reminded him. "Map," answered Boots. "See, Map can tell us how to get to the big piñata," said Dora. "Say Map." Map popped out of backpack. "Hurry, hurry, hurry," he called. "To get to the big piñata, you have to go past the Ferris wheel and then go around the merry-go-round. Along the way, you'll need to earn 8 yellow tickets." "Thanks, Map," said Boots. "To the Ferris wheel," shouted Dora. "Vámonos, let's go." At the Ferris wheel, Dora and Boots saw their friend, Señor Toucan. Señor Toucan told them they could earn 4 yellow tickets by riding the Ferris wheel. "Let's go for a ride," exclaimed Boots. "We just need to find an empty seat," said Dora. "Our empty seat is marked with a star. Do you see a star?" "There it is," answered Boots. They ran over to take their seat on the Ferris wheel. Dora and Boots went up, up, and up. Soon they were way up in the air, high above the carnival. "Whee!" squealed Boots. "We can see the whole carnival from up here," said Dora. "Do you see the merry-go-round?" "Yes, I see it, Dora," said Boots, pointing to the ground below. When their ride was over, Señor Toucan gave Dora and Boots 4 yellow tickets for riding the Ferris wheel. "Yippee! Now we can go to the merry-go-round," shouted Dora. At the merry-go-round, Dora and Boots saw their friend Isa the iguana. "Isa says that we can win more yellow tickets if we grab the orange ring," Dora explained. "Let's ride the merry-go-round and get that ring," cheered Boots. Dora and Boots each picked a colorful horse to ride on the merry-go-round. It wasn't long before Boots pointed out the orange ring. "Smart looking, Boots," Dora cheered. When their ride was over, Isa gave Dora and Boots 4 yellow tickets for riding the merry-go-round. Yay! 4 yellow tickets for riding the merry-go-round and 4 yellow tickets for riding the Ferris wheel, said Dora. "So how many tickets do we have altogether?" Dora and Boots thought. 4 plus 4 equals... Dora quickly figured it out. 8! Ocho! We have 8 tickets. "Now we have enough to win the big piñata!" Boots cheered. Dora and Boots ran toward the big piñata. Suddenly, they heard a familiar sound. "That sounds like Swiper the fox!" cried Boots. "That sneaky fox will try to swipe our tickets!" "To stop him, we have to say, 'Swiper no swiping,'" said Dora. "Swiper no swiping." "Oh man," Swiper said as he crept off. Finally, Dora and Boots made it to the big piñata. "Step right up," announced the Fiesta Trio. "You need 8 tickets to win the big piñata." Dora and Boots counted their tickets for the Fiesta Trio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They had enough for the big piñata. Fantastico! Look! Exclaimed Boots. All our friends are here to help us open the big piñata. To open the big piñata, we need to pull the green ribbon, said Dora. I see it, said Boots. Reach out and grab it, Dora encouraged. Pull! Hooray! Dora and Boots opened the big piñata. Toys and stickers and treats streamed down everywhere. It was the perfect end to a perfect day at the carnival. We did it! Dora and Boots said together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.